It's not actually competition that kills the business, but it's exhaustion. Traditional business owners basically do everything. They sell, they answer their phone, they handle complaints, and they even manage inventory themselves. If this is you, I want to tell you that you are not lazy. You are just stretched to a thin line. But with AI, it can now help you buy back your time. So imagine having an AI chatbot system in place inside your business. It can now capture leads, schedule an appointment, even close your sales for you. Scaling doesn't mean that you need to do more. It basically means you need to automate more. The old way is burnout. That's already in the past. The new way, it's business freedom. If exhaustion is slowly draining your business, what's one task that you would gladly hand it to AI today?